Hey everyone, my name is Brianne and I am the founder of Stroller in the City. And today I will be making Mexican muffins with chicken and veggies. It is a recipe that I adapted from the Weelicious cookbook. So these muffins are amazing. They actually remind me of popovers that my mom used to make when I was a kid. And I love making them for dinner and serving it with a side salad, but also I make extra so I can just pop it into lunch boxes. I have a little chef helping me here in the kitchen, little Miss Gemma. So you ready to help, Mama? Okay, so in the big bowl, we are gonna mix our dry ingredients first. So we're gonna do our 1/3 cup of regular flour and our 1/3 cup of whole wheat flour. And then we are going to do our 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Good job. You wanna mix this up a little?
Yeah.
Okay, mix it up just really little. Okay, next we are going to take our milk. Okay, we're gonna do our 1 egg, right? Okay, we got it. Ready? There we go. Then we're going
I'm gonna mix it.
Yeah, you can mix it. Mix it up.
No, I do it.
Okay, you do it. We're gonna use 2 BOU veggie bouillon cubes, and this actually omits a lot of ingredients. So without compromising any flavor, I just use the 2 bouillon cubes, right? We're gonna unwrap them.
All of them?
Just 2. So for this part, you really want to make sure the BOU actually dissolves in your liquid mixture. We're gonna like mash it up a little. This is the fun part.
I like mashing it.
Okay, so mash it a little. Okay, ready? So we're gonna do a tablespoon
I'll pour it in.
of tomato paste, okay? And then we're gonna take our teaspoon and we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of honey. There we go, just a little bit of that. Okay, what's next?
The cheese.
We can do cheese and what else?
Corn.
Good job. So put that all in there. Good job.
So corn?
Nice. You got it. Mix it up really good.
Okay, that's good, I think.
You think that's good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's pour a little bit of our dry ingredient in here. Good job, Gemma. Here, and then that's the rest. Okay, let's get it all mixed in.
I'll do the chicken.
Okay. Okay, pour the chicken in.
Please.
And then we're gonna put them into our muffin tray. Are you ready? Yes? Okay. Wait, we're gonna bring the muffin tray over here. So make sure your muffin tray is sprayed. Spray. Oop. So we're not gonna fill the muffin trays all the way to the top. We're gonna fill it probably about 2/3 the way because they do expand. Did I lose my helper? I might have. And then it's time to pop them into the oven, and this only takes 15 minutes, which is so great. Here we go, they are ready. So join me and BOU in bringing life and family back into the kitchen. I hope you enjoy these and will try them in your next crazy back to school week.